Hi, my name is Heather, and today I'm going to paint this bunny figurine to look like my bunny in the theme of Christmas. This past summer, I went to a flea market where I found this kitty and bunny figurine, and I thought they would be so perfect for a repaint. So if you haven't seen my previous video, check that out where I repaint this kitty figurine to look like my kitty. And today I'll be painting the bunny figurine to look like my bunny in a Christmas theme. So with all that said, let's get started. So let's see, he has like an open jacket. I'm not sure if maybe I should make that a sweater because then it would be like cozy for winter. And then I can give him like a little winter hat. And then maybe I'll make the carrots a little gift, like I could put a little bow on it and then maybe put a little gift tag. That would be cute. My camera actually died while I was doing the gift bow, so I just finished it up off camera. And now I'm just going to kind of clean everything up and then I can start painting. So first I'm just going to sand everything down with this nail buffer. Then I'm adding a few coats of gesso just to prime him, so then I'll be able to paint him. Now that he's all primed, I can go ahead and paint him, and I'm starting with a coat of very light gray for the shading. Then I'll do the base coats for all the rest of the colors. And after that's done, then I'm adding the highlights for all of the colors. So first on the fur, I'm adding some white highlights, and then I'll do some highlights on the clothing and the other elements. After all that's done, I can add all of the little details like his fur coloring. Here's the final bunny makeover. I hope you liked following me through this fun journey. If you like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to do more content like this, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my future episodes. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!